Seremban 3. Nice to meet you.
I'm Shawal bin Said Hamid, alias Hussain. I'm Senior Lecturer at Faculty of Administrative Science and Policy Studies at UiTM Campus Seremban 3.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mahazril Aini Yaacob. I am from Faculty of Administrative Science and Policy Studies, UiTM Campus Seremban 3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hazwan bin Hashim. I'm student at UiTM Seremban 3.
Hi, for the introductions, one way to deal with a huge amount of information is by using a visual, where empirical study has found that the usage of infographic can help to supply knowledge and information effectively, which can help students to understand about a particular topic and also can ease the process of teaching and learning for the lecturer.
What is the objective of Biochemical Kit? Biochemical Kit was designed to facilitate the teaching and learning process. It combines two learning methods. One is through the usage of the online quiz and the second one is through the usage of the technology by using QR code. So this QR code consists of 6 essential elements under the principles of ecology subject. These 6 main principles will explain about the 6 cycles of the biogeochemical cycle, which consists of nitrogen cycle, tectonic cycle, rock cycle, phosphorus cycle, hydrogeological cycle, and also carbon cycle. Online quiz is used to test and examine the effectiveness of infographic as the learning material. Besides, this innovation also inject the elements of technology through the usage of QR code in the learning activities. And this QR code, and which contain all this infographic, will be made available through QR code to facilitate the teaching and learning process in a more simple, fun and quicker way. These simplified versions of the 6 main area of the biochemical cycle aims to help the student for easy memorizing and understanding of the subject through a creative learning methods.
I will show you how to use our BIO-CHEM kit. First, student will be provided with the QR code where the student just need to scan the QR code either using their phones or a laptop or other device. For example, I'm using a website. Okay, let's say that I'm using this web. So I'm using the website from the QR code from the website. So it will appear a link. So the student just can click for the link. Okay, from the links, it will appear our infographics. We have developed this infographics, very interactive infographic on one of the topic in the principle of ecology is biogeochemical cycle. As you can see, that first cycle is tectonic cycles. So it shows a very interactive picture and also some simple notes. So it will make the student, it will ease the teaching process and student will more engage and understand with these topics. For example, you can see division plate, and then we have convergent plates, and then transform faults. So this scientific, especially for the scientific environmental topic, it is hard for them to understand if the lecture just provided just a fact without any visual or figure. So we believe that by creating this infographic, it can help the student to understand this topic.
Okay, next we go to our novelty products. Number 1, there are limited learning materials and reference related to biogeochemical circles in the market. Number 2, our product innovation use a creative and graphic materials to help students and lecturers for their learning and teaching. Number 3, since the market only produce a traditional books than innovative learning materials, our products make innovative ideas, embedded online quiz and technology elements to make a fun learning activities in class. Number 4, our product is very related to sustainable developments because our product is support environmentally friendly. It's going paperless and becoming is related to Industrial 4.0. Number 5, since nowadays we're using ODL for make a lecture or tutorial class because of COVID-19 pandemics. So it's very related to our products because it's a very complete package of learning materials make a learning process more accessible and sustainable. Thank you.
Of its commercialization, this biochemical kit has high potential for commercialization. This is because it can be used not only for the students who are taking environmental administration subject, but it also can be used by practitioners and also educators to create more awareness in a more simple, fun and interactive learning material. So, since there is no textbook for this subject of principles of ecology, therefore, this biochemical kit really has a good and potential for commercialization.
Okay, for conclusion, principle of ecology subject is an interesting subject. However, it involves lots of numbers of fact and data. So, lecture needs to balance the information for overloads. So, BioChem kits includes an infographic with QR codes and a short online quiz to test student knowledge.